So we had a truck come back after about, I think it was about 2 months of rental, and basically trashed. And Turo is denied, you know, a cleaning fee and everything else. So if you look how dirty this is, you know, it's just absolutely disgusting. They even got it dirty underneath the actual mat itself. So I'm being forced to like go to a power washer and clean this thing up. It's really bad. And they got, you know, whole entire underside dirty. It's just caked with mud everywhere. They're like, oh, that's just Texas mud, but it's like, and then they dinged all the back here, so now I gotta figure that out. But of course Turo denies it all, which is pretty common for them. You know, I heard they used to be a host-centric company. They're really not. Beat the crap out of my spray-on bed liner. It's just disgusting, so I gotta power wash that out. And see all the dirt and grime. A standard car wash wouldn't get this thing clean. It's that bad. But you can just see it is absolutely gross. An embarrassment for someone to think this is clean. And it's an embarrassment that Turo would deny the cleaning fee on this. Again, I don't really care much about hosts anymore. See how dirty it is. Able to get not even close to being perfect like it was, and that's dirt that came off this thing. See, the damage is even worse than I thought on the back. Fun times. Absolutely disgusting, but no cleaning fee needed, dude. But I'm still looking at 3-4 hours later. Got the car finally cleaned. Got all the mud off of it. Gonna have to go get some of those paint pins. I'm gonna take some paint pins and I'm gonna go over this and just dot up those damage that the guy did. It's a lot better overall. But again, it still needs to be carpet cleaned. I just don't have a carpet cleaner today. What the heck is that? Bet you I need a new light now. Yep, I need a new light. Huh.